This is my Twiist box, and I am very, 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 very excited to be opening this with you. My best friend, she's a nurse practitioner, so she sent the prescription. She had been working with Byram and she couldn't get it through. And then she sent it through Alto Pharmacy, and within 24 hours, I got my box with Alto. If you have any way of using Alto for your pharmacy, for your durable medical equipment, use Alto. They're so much better. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. Wow, this tape is, woo! It's really in there. Okay, ta-da! Here's my box. Okay, so, wow. So here is my big giant box. It says my starter kit. You see that? Okay. So here is my box. There is my pump. This is a really beautiful box, I have to say. I really like this box. So insulin delivery system here. Okay. And if you dig deeper, you then have, this is so beautiful. It's really, really beautiful here. We have all the supplies here. It's very well labeled. So we have our infusion sets, cassettes, needles, and syringes. I'm sure that's a book of resources there. Of course, it says contact our Twiist Care team if you have any questions. And then, of course, you're supposed to have your actual insulin pump training. So I am in contact with my trainer. You have to have your pump settings ready. So you need to get that from your prescriber, your endo, or your doctor who's ever prescribed your pump. Let's just keep going. I'm just going to open up everything so you can see. Wow. This is why you have earrings, right? So you can get into your insulin pump supplies. That's why I have earrings. Okay. Got that. Ta-da! This is very exciting. So, oh, well, this is the user guide. Wow. I will definitely, if I have questions, go to the table of contents and read about my specific question. That is very, very, very thorough. Okay. And then I have, this is the rechargeable battery. So it looks like they give you 2 batteries. There's the actual Twiist. There's the charger. So there is everything. Here's my little Twiist. I was told about this pump probably 2 to 3 years ago, and I was talking to somebody within the company, and that's pretty small. I mean, I'm on Mobi right now. Let's compare that. So here's the Mobi. Here's the Twiist. Here's the difference in the size. So that will be interesting. Here's the little device so that you can wear it on your belt. I usually just wear it in my pocket, so we'll see how that goes. I'm really excited about the eye sensor to detect the occlusions. I use DIY Loop for many, many years, so I am excited to use Loop again. I know it's their variation of it. I'm excited about how aggressive they can modulate the basal adjustment and how quickly. It's very, very dynamic. So I'm very excited about it detecting occlusions quicker. I know it's supposed to, with the eye sensor, it's supposed to detect it about 9 times faster. And I think that people don't often talk about how important bad infusion sets are, because if it's really the foundation of your success with management, because you could be doing everything perfectly, but if your body isn't absorbing the insulin correctly because you have a faulty infusion set, it doesn't matter what you do. Everything else will not work as well. You could have everything perfect, all the settings, which I think perfect is, there's so many variables in diabetes. But if the infusion set is not working well, it's just going to throw everything off. So I am very excited. So let's look at the infusion sets. This is a starter kit. So it's going to be, I believe it's a month's worth of supplies so that you can get started. And I know that there's no starting fee, and you can go through pharmacy benefits. I'm open book. It just cost me nothing. So these are the infusion sets that it uses. That's a straight infusion set. This is the 6 millimeter. It comes with a full box. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's so there's 12 infusion sets per box. Most boxes of infusion sets are prescribed 3. You change it every 3 days, so they usually give you a box of 10. So that's nice. It gives you a box of 12. So needles and syringes. Opening up that box. Okay, so this is very likely relating to filling up the cassette. So I will be learning all about that. I like to not only use the pumps, but become a trainer so that I can better help the patients that I work with. So it's always really fun for me to open up a pump for the very first time. And these are the cassettes. So this is what's going to be holding the insulin. So you have the needles to fill up the cassettes, you have the cassettes itself, you have the infusion sets, and of course you have the starter kit. And this all went through my pharmacy benefits. I actually didn't pay anything for it, so I'm thrilled about that. And I'm also already in warranty with Tandem, and so I'm in warranty with another pump, but because I went through pharmacy benefits, it didn't cost me anything. So I'm technically with two pumps. I actually got Omnipod last month, and I got the Twiist a couple days ago, and I'm on Tandem with my durable medical benefits. So when it goes through pharmacy, there isn't any locks. It's not locking you in, so it gives you a lot of options. And so you could try this pump, and if you don't like it, then you could switch back to whatever you wanted to, or if you love it, you could stick with it. So that was my experience. What questions do you have? I'm going to be trying this pretty soon. What questions do you have about Twiist? Are you going to be trying it? What's your hesitations? It does connect with Libre 3 or the Eversense. I am going to be picking up my Libre 3 prescription. We'll see how that goes. So tell me what your thoughts are. I'll talk to you next time.